Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. In this video, we are going to show you how to merge PDF files using PDFLiner. Combining multiple documents into one is a very easy task if you use the right tool. Follow the link in the description to open PDFLiner. Upload the first document to the editor or search for one in our library. On the upper panel, you can find all the tools to edit your documents. You'll need to pick the Merge tool to add more documents. Next, you should either choose the document that you uploaded before or upload the new ones from your device. As you can see, the PDFs have been arranged in the order in which you added them in the first place. If you would like to rearrange the pages, click here on the page settings and simply drag the page to the correct place. Click the Apply button to save the changes. Now that you have merged your PDFs into one, you can edit it with the other tools of the PDFLiner editor. Once you're done editing, double-check the information and click one of these buttons to download, share, or simply save the progress. If you like this guide, click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PDF editing tips. Using PDFLiner, you can also edit, sign, convert, and share any PDF documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at pdfliner.com.